Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel where we help you turn your dreams into reality. Are you ready to start an online business in 2024 without spending a dime? Yes, you heard that right. Zero investment. In today's video, we're revealing 5 incredible business ideas that require no initial investment and are perfect for beginners. Make sure to watch till the end because we have a special bonus tip that can help you stand out in the crowded online market. Let's get started. First up, we have freelance writing. If you have a way with words, this is a fantastic way to earn money online. Many websites and businesses are constantly looking for talented writers to create content for blogs, articles, social media posts, and more. You don't need any upfront investment, just your writing skills and a reliable internet connection. We'll share tips on how to find your first clients and build a strong portfolio. Stay tuned to learn how one writer turned their passion into a full-time career earning thousands of dollars a month. Next is social media management. Many small businesses and influencers need help managing their social media presence. If you're savvy with platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter, you can offer your services as a social media manager. All you need is a good understanding of social media trends and strategies. We'll guide you on how to approach potential clients and create a compelling pitch. And don't miss the pro tip that helped one social media manager land high-paying clients without any prior experience. Third on our list is becoming a virtual assistant. Many entrepreneurs and businesses are looking for virtual assistants to handle administrative tasks like email management, appointment scheduling, and customer support. This is a great option if you have strong organizational skills and a knack for multitasking. We'll share the best platforms to find virtual assistant jobs and tips on how to market yourself effectively. Next up is online tutoring. If you have expertise in a particular subject, you can offer tutoring services to students of all ages. Platforms like tutor.com and Chegg Tutors make it easy to connect with students who need help. You can tutor from the comfort of your home without any investment. We'll discuss how to get started, the best subjects to tutor in, and how to attract students. And don't miss the secret tip that helped one tutor increase their hourly rate significantly. Finally, let's talk about content creation on YouTube. If you enjoy making videos, starting a YouTube channel can be a lucrative business. Whether it's vlogging, tutorials, reviews, or entertainment, there's an audience for almost everything. You can start with just a smartphone and free editing software. We'll share strategies on how to grow your channel, engage with your audience, and monetize your content. Stay till the end to learn the game-changing strategy that helped one YouTuber gain thousands of subscribers in a short time. There you have it, the 5 best online businesses you can start in 2024 without any investment. Remember, success comes from dedication and consistency. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. As promised, here's the bonus tip. Leverage free online communities and social media groups to network and market your new business. Building connections can help you grow your business exponentially without spending a dime. Thanks for watching and good luck on your entrepreneurial journey. See you in the next video.